Taking on a mortgage can feel overwhelming due to the substantial amount you need to finance and the long-term commitment involved. However, paying off your mortgage early can save you a significant amount of money and free you from monthly payments years ahead of schedule. Financial expert Dave Ramsey shares several strategies to help you achieve this goal. 1. Make an extra house payment each quarter. By making extra payments towards your mortgage, more of your regular payments will go towards reducing the principal balance. This can also help you eliminate private mortgage insurance, PMI, faster. For example, on a $220,000 mortgage at a 4% interest rate. Making one extra payment each quarter can shave 11 years and nearly $65,000 off your mortgage. Divide your payment by 12 and add that amount to each monthly payment, or pay half of your payment every 2 weeks. This bi-weekly schedule adds up to one extra payment per year, saving you $24,000 and reducing your mortgage term by 4 years. If extra payments are not feasible, rounding up your monthly payments and increasing them when you get a raise can still make a significant impact. 2. Bring your lunch to work. Packing a lunch can save you around $200 a year, which can go towards your mortgage. Using the same example mortgage, this could help you pay it off 3 years early and save over $28,000 in interest. Similarly, cutting out your daily coffee shop stop and putting that $90 per month towards your mortgage can save you $25,000 in interest and reduce your loan term by 4 years. 3. Refinance, or pretend you did. Instead of extending your payments over the full loan term, Ramsey advises switching to a 15-year fixed-rate mortgage. This not only halves your loan term, but also reduces the total interest paid. If refinancing isn't an option, make payments as if you had a 15-year mortgage. This aggressive payment strategy will help you pay off your mortgage sooner, freeing up money for retirement, college savings, or other goals. 4. Downsize your home. If you have substantial equity in your current home, consider selling it and buying a smaller, less expensive one. You might be able to pay cash for the new house, or at least take on a much smaller mortgage, which can be paid off quickly. Ramsey advises against VA loans due to their typically higher costs despite the no down payment advantage. 5. Don't bite off more than you can chew. Before committing to a mortgage, ensure you can answer yes to these 6 questions. Am I free of debt with 3 to 6 months of living expenses saved? Can I make a 10% to 20% down payment? Will I be able to pay the closing costs and moving expenses with cash? Is the house payment no more than 25% of my net salary? Can I afford a 15-year fixed-rate mortgage? Can I cover utility and maintenance costs? 6. Consult a pro to find the right home. Finding the right home can be time-consuming and stressful. Rely on real estate professionals from Ramsey's endorsed local provider network to help you find and negotiate the best deal on a home that fits your budget. 7. Maximize your down payment. Ramsey advocates for buying a home with 100% down, but if that's not possible, aim to put down at least 10%. A 20% down payment will help you avoid PMI, saving you between 0.5% and 1% of the mortgage loan amount each year. By following these tips, you can effectively reduce your mortgage term, save a significant amount of money in interest, and achieve financial freedom sooner.